Hello. This video is about affiliate marketing for beginners. I have been an affiliate for ClickBank and Amazon for a long time and earned a lot of experience. So anyone can start it. It is easy to start. It is promoting other people's product to earn commission when someone buys that product. It is straightforward to do and safe. And it is a better way of making easy money on the internet because you need to promote the affiliate link. How do you promote the affiliate link? Now choose an affiliate program and sign up. Then select products to promote. You will receive a link for each product and you promote. You can choose either the paid promotion or unpaid promotion. Paid promotion will be Facebook ads, Google ads. Unpaid promotion, you can start writing the review, you can use YouTube channel and Facebook groups, email marketing, and there are so many other ways. On social media, you can use an unpaid promotional method. Another vital point here is you can do it from anywhere at any time because affiliate marketing, you're not carrying a goods or anything like that. There is no inventory for that. So you can, if you have the laptop and the internet connection, you can do it anywhere from anywhere at any time you like. If you want to learn and work, you need to do at least 2 to 3 hours work a day as a beginner. Then, in addition to your regular job, you can do this as a side business. Normally, side business, when I talk about side business, affiliate marketing is one of the best side business. And it is easy to make money and lot of money you can make from it. And it's a best business model. You do not need to have a website. There is no point in there is no need to have a website. You can do it without the website. So, but first you decide whether affiliate market is without making a decision. If you do not have the passion for the affiliate marketing, don't go into that. Make sure you have the passion for the affiliate marketing and you make sure that you can do it well and then it is a cost effective and if you make it as a business, regular business, it's a cost-effective business and easy to make money, easy to work from anywhere. There is no restriction. Anywhere, at any time, you can make the money. Setting up a business requires money and extensive planning here. Setting up a business is not that easy. It's so difficult. But affiliate marketing is a difficult thing. It's an easy thing, easy thing. You only need to decide, sign up with an affiliate company and start the promotions immediately in this affiliate business. You might get the commission soon if someone buys the product. You are lucky if someone buys the product quickly and you will get the commission. It goes on like this. If you continue like this, you can make easy money. There is no issue with affiliate marketing. Only thing you have to have the correct mindset. You have the passion for affiliate marketing, though, then you can become successful. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much for watching it.